Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create animation style videos using ChatGPT or Google Bard. So firstly, in order to create any video, you will be needing a script. So for creating the script, you can use ChatGPT or Google Bard. Now it's totally up to you. So I'm going to show you how to do it in both. So in ChatGPT, just simply choose one of the prompt generator over here. So you can get this from AIPRM over here. It is a completely free extension in Google Web Store, so you can get that and use it. After choosing that, just simply enter your prompt and hit enter. Now give it a few seconds, and within a few seconds, it will start creating your narrative. So after your script is ready, you can again try this in Google Bard if you want to. So all you have to do is just simply add your title right over here, and then hit enter, and then just simply wait for Bard to come up with the story. Now the moment Bard will come up with the story, just simply look which story is the best one, the Bard one or the ChatGPT one. So whichever is the best one, just simply pick that. Now after you have chosen your story, now after that, just simply come to this particular AI website. So as you can see, this is the link over here. Now this is mostly a free website. So firstly, what you will do is just simply click on start for free and then just simply complete the registration process using your Gmail account. So the website is actually in Chinese, so just simply translate it into English, choose individual, or next, then choose any random thing over here, click on next and do the same over here as well. Now over here you'll find a lot of options as you can see right over here, but we are going to dive into this in a different video. Currently what you do is just simply choose this option called AI text dubbing. Right over here, just simply paste your script. Now choose the language, speed, and the tone. You simply play around with all of the settings and see if you're getting any good result or not. So after you've done all of the settings, all you have to do is click on confirm. You will find now, as you can see right over here, you will get your audio over here. Just simply download your particular audio. Now I already have downloaded my audio, so you will just simply get this in the project panel. Right over here, you will have your audio. So just simply click on the download option over here to download your audio. Then choose to a location. After you have got your audio, it's time to get the video. In order to get the free video, you will need to get to a website of Adobe Express. So this is a free website, and as you can see right over here, I already have created my own account. After you have done all of that, then click on create now. Now over here you'll find a lot of characters. So just simply choose which one you want, and it should match your story that you are going to say. So for me, I'm going to choose this particular character over here. Then just simply choose the background. So for choosing the background, click on background over here and choose background depending on the story that you're going to tell. You can also upload your own custom background if you want by clicking on this icon over here. Now again, after all the setting is made, now after that just simply click on enhance speech over here to enhance your audio. For the audio, click on the browse option over here and upload your audio. It will take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. After your video is ready, you will find a preview right over here. You can currently click and play the video and see if everything is okay or not. And if you want to trim the video, you will also have the option to do that. For me, everything is currently okay, so I'm just simply gonna download the video. So to download the video, click on download and your download should pop up. Just like that, just simply complete the download process, and now this is the final result.
It's a story about a boy named Jack who gets lost in the mystical forgotten wood. He discovers a hidden door leading to an enchanting realm, befriends magical creatures, and has extraordinary adventures. Eventually, he returns to his world, forever changed by the magic he found. This tale is a reminder that by getting lost, we can discover the magic within ourselves.
So that's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel.